Yeah, it's the boy Night in the building, baby. Tell him, you already know. Tell him, money kill.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So about the light is like making everything look bad. But anyways, I have bought this on wireless. It said wireless charging dash mount, because you know I do Uber and Lyft, guys. As you know, I do Uber and Lyft. So I had the regular one for the vent, the magnet for the vent, but what happened is, like, sometimes when the sun comes up at a certain point of time, I can't really see the GPS. So I try to get this one, and this one so far I haven't used it, so I'm gonna just do an unboxing, and then later on in my next video I should just do a demonstration, show you and tell you guys how it works. So far I don't know how it works, but this is supposed to be an unboxing video. Let me just tell you what it said. It said Credo rotates up to 360 for optimal viewing. Adjustable mount installed easily on a dash, windshield, or desktop. One hand operation to secure and release phone from Credo. Fits most smartphone and case combination, including micro USB sync and charge cable. 3 feet 91.4 centimeters cm. Input 5V/2A. I don't even know what is that. They say output 5V/1A, and another one said 5W standard wireless charging. And here's a little picture of it. Hopefully you guys could see it, because I don't know what's up with my phone and why the quality look like trash. Maybe because I'm in this room, so it looks different. I don't know. Maybe I need to wipe let me wipe the camera. Sorry about that, guys. But yes. Oh, it's clearer now. Yes, it's not smeary. Alright, so I'm gonna do the unboxing, guys, and stay tuned. So I didn't get nobody to hold the camera, and I didn't feel like taking out my thing, so here we go with this unboxing. First, yes, this is the standard charger, the USB charger. This one fits my phone. I know the newer model for Android, because I have a Samsung Galaxy S7 that I'm using, and this is the one. This is the charger that fits it. I know they have the newer dock one that I haven't upgraded like that yet. So guys, yeah. Hey, you want to help me? No. Please hold the camera for me. Let me try to show them this quick unboxing. Please, please, please. Yes, guys, I'm asking my sister, and she's about to help me. Perfect. All right, so here we go. I like the way how they set up the box. It's real cool. Of course, it comes with a manual. Yes, comes with the manual and tell you how to set it up. And you know me, I don't read nothing. I'm not gonna read nothing. I'm gonna just figure it out myself, set it up myself. But this is how it looks, guys. I don't know what is what as yet until I figure it out. It's kind of cool. See it, guys? But thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. And I have a lot of catching up to do on you guys' videos. I really do, because without you guys I wouldn't be here right now. So I really thank you. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Peace out, and bye bye. Take care. Peace.